find the beginning sound, double consonant, okay? CH sounds like ch, ch, ch. SH sounds like sh, sh, sh. TH sounds like WH sounds like PH sounds like this one will change into letter F sounds. And then BL sounds like blah. So we have to put them together. B and L, b, l, itchy, together, blah, blah. They will make a sound blah. And then CL sounds like cl, cl, k, l, cl, cl, together. And then CR sounds like kr, 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 kr. And then DR sounds like t, r, dr, dr, dr. FR sounds like fr, fr, fr. GR sounds like gr, gr, gr. It's all the same, like g, r, gr. It's the same style. PR sounds like pr, pr, pr. And then TR sounds like tr, tr, tr. And WR sounds like r, r, r. W doesn't make really sounds. It's silent. So r, r, r. And then BR sounds like br, br, br. And PL sounds like pl, pl, pl. GL sounds like gl, gl, gl. FL sounds like fl, fl, fl. SL sounds like sl, sl, sl. SC sounds like sk, sk, sk. SM sounds like sm, sm, sm. SN sounds like sn, sn, sn. SP sounds like sp, sp, sp. ST sounds like st, st, st. SW sounds like sw, sw, sw. And the last one is GN. Letter G doesn't have sounds, so N has sounds. N, n, n. That's all for today. Let's continue next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.